Hi, welcome to Learn with Mac, and today I'm doing some modelling and I want to show you what I'm doing. It's just over here. So the new Professor Mac video is going to be about why things float. Why does things sink? Why does things float? And this is based on a principle called Archimedes Principle. And the video is going to show why that principle works and what it means for the things that we drop in water. So what I've been doing recently is preparing all the assets that go into the video. And one of the key assets in the next video is going to be this vehicle that we've got here on the screen. It's underway, it's not completed in terms of modelling, but it shows all the major parts that I've been doing, and I'm going to show you in a moment how I've been doing some modelling of this particular area up here at the top end of this lifting arm. So you'll see these kind of vehicles at the side of ports where they take these shipping containers and place them onto ships, and they're lifted on there and stacked up with these vehicles. So what I normally do is I look at some reference pictures of real vehicles, and this is one I've been using for this modelling activity. It's made by a company called Cone Cranes, and they produce lifting vehicles like this. And I've been using this as the template for Professor Mac's lifting vehicle. You can see that it's got lots of nice detail around the wheels and in terms of the things around it, like the steps that a person has to go up before they get into the vehicle. And the key part is this hydraulic lifted arm which goes up, and then there's an extension here which comes out, and this here at the end grips and holds the shipping containers as it moves them and stacks them around the dockside. So I've been using this to do the Professor Mac model of this, and you can see that here. And we've got wheels here. They don't turn at the moment, but they will do once I've finished. You can see the steps that Professor Mac will have to climb in order to get into the cab, where the steering wheel and all the mechanisms for controlling the vehicle will be placed. At the moment it's just a grey box. I haven't done any detailed modelling of that. I've just put it there to lay it out. The back end at the moment isn't done. I've still got to do that. We've got the side panels here, but no back end. And you can see also that this side is, well, there's not much here in this side. This will be a copy of what I've got here, so it's very easy for me to mirror that over, and it'll appear here. So the thing I've been working at the moment is the very end of this. And in the picture that we saw, you can see that at the very end of the main arm, there is this collar here, which is a steel construction of a collar that fits around here. And then this, I guess, forms some reinforcement and guidance for this extending part. So this is the part I'm going to be modelling today. So let's see how we get on. that's us got the main collar there modelled in the part at the end of the arm. I've just added this extension part and I'm going to do more detail on that, so I'll show another video on that next time. What you saw me doing there, I'll just unhide this, you can see that the part I was working on, let me just hide this away, was this part here. And what you saw when I was working that was that I was jumping in and out of edit mode, and the edit mode allows me to change the different parts of the construction of that particular component. You can see we've got various faces here that form the various parts of the face of the actual component itself. We've also got in here little wedges which are reinforcement bars that are placed in there. And what I was doing was essentially getting the size of that so that it matched the interior size of this main lifting arm, and I was manipulating it to do that. So I hope you enjoy that. Next time I'll show some more detail of the modelling. So until next time, all the best. Bye then.